Hey guys, so today I wanted to start working on my fall home decor a little bit. I did a poll on Instagram to say, what do you guys want to see, or is it too early to decorate for fall? And a lot of people have said no. One person said yes, but at the same time for YouTube it's like never too early for these kind of things. So I'm going to get into it today, just a little bit. I honestly, after I posted that poll, I was like, you know what, I don't want to decorate for fall quite yet because it's starting to feel like fall a tiny bit. It's been a little bit cooler these past few days, and getting down like in the 50s and 60s at night, but it still feels like summer outside. It's still very nice, everything's very green, the leaves aren't quite turning yet, so I do want to kind of stay in the summery range, but I thought today I would show you guys kind of transitioning into fall and what I end up doing. So let's get started. I'm going to show you guys with what fall decor I have. And then we will see where I put it or what I change from what I currently have. So, alright, so I'm not getting too professional in this video. I'm not trying to, the lighting could be better and stuff is what I'm saying. So anyway, starting out though, I have my leaves candle. I got this a few years ago, and honestly, I don't think it burns anymore, but I'm probably going to just open it up and let it sit out for a little while and see if it kind of smells up the house. So it's really cute because it has like that leaf lid, and anyway, it smells really good. But I also have some stuff back here that's kind of Christmassy. So I have like this deer that's kind of fall-ish, but it's kind of Christmassy, some twinkle lights, and my red runner. And then I have some like foliage type things. I have all kinds of flowers, fake flowers, and some like berries and some little like grass and cotton fronds. I have this garland that's just like colorful leaves. I have a little wreath form that I took and put some little stuff on to make kind of a cute little fall wreath. I have this pumpkin that says, or gourd, that says bless our home, and then this one, it's white, and I kind of just want to put it up like that, but it also does say give thanks to the Lord, which I totally appreciate and embrace that, but I also kind of like the idea of just a simple white pumpkin up against a wall or something. And then over here I have a bunch of different fake pumpkins, just little ones, and I have some pine cones down in there that'll probably wait till more like Thanksgiving time to use. But I might use some of these like gold shimmery pumpkins soon. So that's about it. I have a sign that says Home Sweet Home, and honestly all of this stuff is pretty much from the Dollar Tree except for those pumpkins. That's from Hobby Lobby, and that one my mother-in-law gave me. I don't know where it's from. And then I have some of my Bath & Body Works candle, but all the flowers and fake pumpkins are from Dollar Tree. So, okay, so right from the start, this is what I want to incorporate. The wreath, these sunflowers, maybe some other yellow flowers as well, some of just these ones, but just some sunflowers, these cute little gold pumpkins, I think they're really cute, and maybe this white pumpkin. So that's what I want to just try to incorporate today really, and then go from there. Okay, so starting out with home decor, just from the beginning of the home, I didn't change any of this out yet. I still like how it looks. I think it's fine for summer transitioning into fall. I got these signs at Dollar Tree. There's one that says welcome, one that says harvest, one that says thankful. And I'm just resting it here. I don't really know where else to put it right now, but I think it's so cute. So it's an area where people will see when they walk in, kind of too, like walk in from the front door, and you kind of naturally see it on your way to the living room. So the kitchen's a mess right now, not just because I have dishes to put away, but because our microwave doesn't work, so our parents gave us, Luke's parents gave us a microwave just for now until we get a new one, and so that's sitting on the counter. But here is the new little entertainment center area, and so I feel like it's all whitewashed. Can you guys even see it? Anyway, I'll get in closer. I just put a little gold thing over here. I need to get an LED little fake flame in there, but anyway, and I left this plant for now. I don't really know what I'll end up doing over here, but we'll figure it out as time goes on. And then over here I have my sunflowers and my orange and red little berry flower things, and then my diffusers in the background. It won't always be there, but that's like something. And then just this cute tan candle that I got from Kroger a long time ago. So that is the entertainment center. And then the only thing in my bedroom is, well, right now, my My dresser has some spare things on it, like that harvest sign and some coupons and a battery. But anyway, so all I have is just this little white pumpkin. That's the only fall thing I have in here. This was in a recent Dollar Tree haul, so if you're wondering where that came from, that is where. So that's what that looks like. That's the only fall thing in our room right now. Sadie wants in. So then coming down this hall, on the other side of our house, I did switch this up a little bit. I put this cute little, I don't know if it's porcelain or what, but this little pumpkin in here, this light golden, and then this sparkly orange one, and then I have this little lantern here. This came from the bathroom down here, which I'll show you in a second. So that is the new area right here. You can see my backyard a little bit. It's very chill, very summery right now. So that looks very fall-ish, kind of even Halloween-ish, which we don't really celebrate that much. But anyway, and then in here I just put out the yellow towel for now to go with our candle and the gold sparkly pumpkin. So that is my transitional fall decor. I'll probably do a full house tour and full fall decor thing here in like a month or so. Alright, so anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like I messed up my ending, so I just thought I'd redo it. But I hope you guys enjoy this. If you want to see a full fall house tour, stay tuned for that. I'll probably do that in about a month or so. But thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you later. And if you wouldn't mind, give this video a like or leave a comment down below letting me know anything. So thanks for watching. Bye.